So you made all the gears for it. How about that carburetor?
I made the carburetor for it. It's had plans for that. They
Okay.
were for another engine, and I used some of my ideas in it, but it's basically done by plans. The rest of it, I made the plans for everything else. Drew the plans up and started with a set of piston rings, and then I built the engine from there. The only thing I didn't build was the piston rings.
And what's the displacement or the piston size?
It's 820 thousandths piston size,
Okay.
bore, and 800,000 stroke.
Okay, beautiful job here. Okay, George Spain. Single cylinder, beautiful. Okay, so what's this engine, George?
This is a single cylinder 4-stroke engine that I designed and built, and the unique feature of this engine is the fact that it has a single lobe cam, wherein the single lobe controls both the intake and the exhaust, and the rest of it is just a standard 4-stroke engine. See if we can get started.
Okay, so when did you build this one, George?
I built this, I started on it 2 years ago and finished it about a year ago, and I've been refining it ever since. And I made all the pieces and parts, including the gears and the carburetor, the crankshaft, everything. All my design and my creation.
All right, George Spain. Very good, George. Thank you.
Thank you.